Hi, this is Amy Aiken for Module Number 3, AEP 800 Technology class, titled Communication and Collaboration in Technology. According to Egbert, communication is a general term that implies the conveyance of information either one way or through an exchange with two or more partners. The basic communication patterns are point-to-point, two-way, which would consist of an internet chat, phone conversations. There's also one-to-many outbound, which is lectures, TV shows, and then many-to-many communication pattern, which consists of group discussions. Collaboration is a type of communication that involves two-way interaction. It is a social interaction in which participants must plan and accomplish something specific together. Social interactions can be synchronous or asynchronous. Synchronous is in real time, where the participants take turns, like during a phone call or face-to-face discussions. Asynchronous is like through a letter or snail mail, emails back and forth. It's not happening at the same time. Social interactions can also occur through the use of technology. You can use the email to communicate with each other. You can do the instant messaging. It can also be done around technology, where students are discussing a problem posed by a software program, or with the support of technology, where students and teachers are interacting about a worksheet printed from a website. The components of technology-supported communication tasks include content, which is based on curricular goals and student needs; time, where the focus is appropriate for all students to finish their task; communication technologies, help all students access the interaction. Number 4 is participants, or the knowledgeable audience that can work with the students at their level. Number 5 is roles, where everyone has a part to contribute. And number 6, intentional focus on learning, which is the task and pacing help students stay on task. Technology-supported communication process begins with the planning stage. This is the most crucial for creating a successful project. Teachers need to make sure the process and outcomes are specific, relevant, and based on goals. They need to have clearly defined learning objectives. The development stage is where teachers observe students and make changes to projects as needed. Teachers also provide skills lessons and work on team building. The analysis and evaluation stage is where everybody needs to participate in analyzing the project so different perspectives are gained. The teacher also needs to provide closure during this stage, where participants can discuss the process and also provide a summary of their learning. Communication impact in my workplace. We build relationships through our communication. We also disseminate information amongst different stakeholders, and we provide clarification. Communication is constantly ongoing between the administrators, staff members, students, parents, and community members. The standards I chose for administrators was the digital age learning culture, where educational administrators model and promote the frequent and effective use of technology for learning. For teachers, number 1, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. Teachers model collaborative knowledge construction by engaging in learning with students, colleagues, and others in face-to-face and virtual environments. Students, number 2, communication and collaboration. Students communicate information and ideas effectively to multiple audiences using a variety of media and formats.